Very warm good morning and welcome to all the youngsters who are available here. And on behalf of Indian Space Research Organization and Satish Dhawan Space Center at Sriharikota here, welcome on a warm sunny day here. You are going to witness a launch of PSLV E06 mission, EOS 6 mission, the 56th flight, and it is designated as E54, PSLV C54. And this particular launch, the entire vehicle is of the order of around 44 meters height, and at the liftoff, when it is about to go at T0, it is approximately weighing 321 tons, a massive propulsion system with 4 stages is built into it. Please note, why are you all here today? The simple reason is, space has no boundary. That is why we are all here. Translated into Telugu, it means Antarakshaniki avadhi ledu. So it speaks that we can go from anywhere to anywhere. To go from anywhere to anywhere, what do we need? We need only force. Translated into dynamics, what is required is velocity. So to keep up the velocity, to escape from the orbit, from the Earth's gravitation, it needs approximately 7.8 kilometers per second. So if you multiply in hours by 3600, almost 25,000 kilometers per hour you have to travel up. Your car can travel at a speed of maybe 100 kmph or 150 kmph. Whereas this rocket is trying to fly at 7.8 kilometers every second. So, from here to Chennai, approximately 100 kilometers, at a rate of 7.8 kilometers per second, it takes 10 seconds. That means in 5 winks of your eye, you are in Chennai. That is the speed of rocket. And from here to Delhi, if it is around 3000 kilometers, you can divide with 7.8 and see in how many seconds we are going to travel. So, in order to accomplish this target of getting out at 7.8 kilometers per second, this has been built into 4 stages. Among these 4 stages, propulsion is the main thing, and 2 solid propellant stages are built, and 2 more liquid stages are also built. The PS1 stage, it is called at the bottom, carries 139 tons of solid propellant. Along with it, around 6 strap-on boosters are also attached to it, each carrying around 12 tons. So all put together 139 plus 6 into 12, 72, almost 205 tons of solid propellant is lifting off at the ground T0. And for that the witness is you, everybody sitting in each step of this gallery. Each of you is a witness to that propulsive power of more than 300 tons getting lifted. And in about 1000 seconds or 1100 seconds, the entire mission will be completed in order to reach almost 730 kilometers above the Earth radius. Earth 12,700 kilometers is approximately the diameter of the Earth. And this diameter of the Earth we are going to cross over with an altitude of another 700 kilometers to take into the liftoff. Coming back to our PSLV rocket, which is going to carry almost 9 satellites today. One satellite, which is for the continuation of our ocean satellites. The main purpose with 1100 kilos of the satellite mass is for the purpose of measuring the surface temperature of the ocean. Not only the surface temperature of the ocean, the waves and the layers which are getting created and the vapor formations at the subsurface level, we are going to detect and then put it in record across the entire Bay of Bengal and entire the planar portion where this particular satellite is going to take the images. So, having understood the application of the satellite for the continuation purpose, as well as also to feed into the data algorithms in order to know the subatmospheric and atmospheric conditions prevailing on the surface of the sea, this satellite is going. Along with that, 4 American micro satellites, less than 20 kilos, those satellites are flying. Along with that, 2 more satellites are also flying. In total, we are trying to fly 9 satellites, out of which 4 are American and 1 is ISRO's own. 4 plus 1, 5 are over. Another 4 small by our entrepreneurs. Now, having understood that what for we are going and what for we are orbiting this particular satellites, we should understand that we are not constantly sitting here. Please remember, the surface on which you are sitting, the earth itself is rotating at 0.46 kilometer per second. That means if you multiply again with the hourly 3600 seconds, at 1800 kilometer per hour, all of us are orbiting. So, it translates that the propulsion power and the velocity what is required for the rocket and the velocity what is required for the rocket is what we are planning to do today. And again, to repeat back, you are going to be the witness on this sunny warm day at 11:56 hours. You will hear the countdown. Already we are at T-minus 50 minutes and slowly we will move to T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 and T0. You will be clapping it and seeing the rocket flying with a red roaring success. Also remember that you can witness this almost 70 to 80 kilometers away from this location. Standing in a Chennai top class apartment on a beach road, you can physically see this rocket. Standing in Nellore, Naidupeta, Tirupati, all this zone, you can particularly witness this particular launch. And you should note that in this year, we have already accomplished one GSLV M3 mission, and this is the 4th PSLV launch which is moving from here. 52, 53, 54. All 3 are over, and a maiden flight of SSLV launch also was completed. In the days to come, you will be one of the witnesses to see that one of our Indian will be flying in a Gaganyaan mission, carrying 2 human beings from this soil to the outer orbit, say 400 kilometers orbit, and we will bring back the human beings safely onto this land, onto this gallery. On such a gallery, momentously you are all sitting here to say Jai Hind to you all and wishing you all an exciting moment for the T0 of the PSLV E06 mission. Thank you.